Now see, rounding a level curved road. Suppose you have taken a road, I am taking like this is here, this is the plain curved road. This I have taken part of the road here like this. A car is moving in this path taking the turn. So just I will take the symbol of the car like this. This is the car is moving here, which is going along this path. Now car has mass m. So weight of the car is acting to this side, that is mg. Normal reaction is acting r to this side. When the car is turning here, taking turn, frictional force is acting to this side. Because wheel has tendency to go straight, so this motion is opposed by frictional force, and that is acting, frictional force is acting towards center. So centripetal force is also acting to this side. But now see here, centripetal force is provided by the friction, by the static friction or the frictional force. So we can write here Fc is less than or equal to F. We can write Fc is, that is here we can write mv square upon r. V is the speed of the car, r is the radius of the circular path, m is the mass, less than or equal to mu, here mu r. We can take r is equal to mg. So we can write mv square upon r is less than equal to mg. This is mu, this is static, we can write mu as mg. M and m will get cancelled. So we can write v square is less than or equal to mu as rg. So maximum velocity which is here under root of mu as rg. So maximum velocity for the safe turn without skidding on the curved road having radius r is this much. So v is less than or equal to, so the velocity should be less than or equal to this. So now see here, r is the radius of the path, curved path, and also this speed is independent of the mass of the car. So this speed is not depending actually on the mass, but see here the coefficient of friction may vary with the time, may vary with, suppose like that, if the tires of the car is suppose very smooth and road is also very smooth, mu s will reduces, and also if the oil or the water is on the surface of the road, then also the frictional force reduces. In that case velocity reduces for the safe turn. It means if frictional force, friction is very less or the surface is smooth, then you have to take the turn with the very low speed.